Ah. This is fake hair. Because actually I would like to change the content to like sometimes I will act and I will post on. So that's the reason why I have this hair. Okay. Take a look on this. So beautiful. Wow. This is fake hair. It's made from Bolic State. Yeah. Let me see if I can do it. What's up, guys? It's so fun. It's so fun. Do you like my new hairstyle? I like this. Like this. Amazing. Wow, new hair. Let's see. This hair is so nice. You know how much it costs? On the Temu app, it's just only 50 ringgit. 50 ringgit, around 50 ringgit for this hair. Because I go to another shopping mall and then I see that the cheapest price is 250 something. And this one, only 50 ringgit. Wow, it's cute though. I love this hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just kidding. Alright, so let's see another hair. Let's see, I have another hair. So over here. You guess what kind of the hairstyle is here? Oh my god! It is so amazing. Something stuck here. Okay. Wow, it's so beautiful. This made from China, and also this one shipped from China as well. Just look at here. Oh my. Yeah. Like this, is it? Oh my god. This is very hard to wear now. Let me see. can wear here. It's not really beautiful. It's not really beautiful here. I like the purple one. Okay. Back. Right, so some sock. Also bought a set of the clothes. I already take it out and I also wash it already. And one white blue shirt and then this one sleeping clothes. So total only 300. So cheap because I got around 150% off of, not 150, 150, yes, 150 ringgit off. So amazing. So basically the total price is around 500 and I got 150, so it is 300. Basically it's for 150. This is about the unboxing the Temu product. And in the Temu application we have a lot of things, but basically you need to also choose it's a good price, and also you need to choose the good product as well, because you see it come from China, and it's very hard to refund as well. I'm not sure it's and also it has a mixed review on the Temu application. And I will also put the link of the Temu application down in my description. You can click on it and then you get some vouchers. This is for this video, and thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this kind of stuff, so you can figure out there in Temu application. And thank you so much for watching my video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, or also follow my social media. Thank you so much. Bye. See ya. So I think maybe in the next episode, I will go to the restaurant and review food again. So basically, this is just another content that is just because I'm mix the content together. And it's really interesting. Right. Thank you so much. See ya. Bye.